STONETECH GroutUp Grout, seal, and defend in one easy step. When not properly treated and maintained, cement-based grout can stain, become very dirty with everyday usage, and even build up mold and mildew. LATICRETE is proud to announce STONETECH GroutUp, the additive that upgrades your grout's performance with stain and antimicrobial product protection. Now you can grout, seal, and defend in one easy step with STONETECH GroutUp. While sealing with STONETECH heavy-duty grout sealer provides a superior stain protection option after grout has been installed, using STONETECH GroutUp Grout Additive during the grout installation process can save you time. Infused with STONETECH Fluoro-Sealer Technology, this water-based formula repels water and oil-based stains on sanded and unsanded cement-based grouts. GroutUp includes Microban. Microban antimicrobial technology enables STONETECH GroutUp to further inhibit the continuous growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew. A time-saving solution that's easy to use, STONETECH GroutUp simply replaces the water instructed for use in grout mixing prior to installation and saves the time necessary for post-sealing. In this demonstration, we are using LATICRETE 1500 sanded grout. Shake the STONETECH GroutUp well before use to ensure all active ingredients are equally dispersed throughout the additive. Measure out the STONETECH GroutUp to equally replace the water used in your grout mixing instructions and pour into clean mixing container. Combined with LATICRETE sanded and unsanded cement-based grouts, STONETECH GroutUp allows you to grout, seal, and defend in one easy step. Always consult grout manufacturer's grout mixing instructions and position on additives prior to use. Add the LATICRETE 1500 sanded grout powder slowly or according to grout manufacturer's instructions and mix using a grout trowel or low-speed mixer to achieve a smooth, stiff consistency. Allow the grout to slake for 5 to 10 minutes and remix before application. Apply the grout per the manufacturer's instructions and industry standards on grout, and follow the recommended time to traffic. LATICRETE 1500 sanded grout is walkable in 12 to 24 hours. Make sure you protect the grout from water immersion or freezing for up to 14 days or per grout manufacturer's instructions. STONETECH GroutUp comes in 3 convenient sizes depending on your needs: a 27-ounce, 64-ounce, or a 2.5-gallon jug for larger or multiple jobs. Choose STONETECH GroutUp for your next project. Grout, seal, and defend in one easy step. Learn more about our full line of STONETECH tile, stone, and surface care products at LATICRETE.com and by viewing our comprehensive LATICRETE University video tutorials at LATICRETEUniversity.com.